In this lesson, we're going to continue to work with imaginary numbers and just kind of get used to different operations with them. Here we will be adding and subtracting imaginary numbers. So these parentheses are here, but to be honest, I don't think they're really necessary because we're just adding like terms together. I can add i's to i's and numbers to numbers. So when I'm looking at this, I'm going to be able to add the 3 and the 2 and get 5. The positive 5i and the negative 4i and get 1i. So my answer would be 5 plus I. It's nothing different than if they were variables. We treat the I as a variable unless it's I squared. Then we substitute negative 1. And so it should be really kind of quick and easy to go through and do these couple problems. Number 11, I'm going to let you guys try quick. Hopefully you get 6 plus 3 is 9. Negative 2i plus 7i, 5i. When writing in descending order, we do write our i's last, so numbers should come before numbers with an I. And that's my final answer. Number 12, I would just have to think about distributing this negative. So these parentheses matter. This is really a negative 1 here that I'm going to distribute to both terms. If you would like, you could choose to just change these signs, because you know that's what multiplying by a negative does. And then it becomes an addition problem. So I add my numbers. 4 and negative 3 make 1. Negative 6i plus 7i would be a positive I. So my answer is 1 plus I. I don't know if I've mentioned this yet in either video, but make sure when you're making your i's you don't make them like this. I know mine typed ones are like that because I had to use a computer, but when we write our I we should use the curve. That's the symbol for an imaginary number, is that curve. It's not actually just the letter I, it's a symbol. Kind of like pi is a symbol. We wouldn't all of a sudden decide to make it our own way. We're going to use imaginary like this. Last one, you guys go ahead and try quick. When I distribute the negative and I combine like terms, I'd get negative 2 plus 4i. So there's a quick lesson on adding and subtracting numbers with imaginaries.